Good morning, my apostle buddies. How you doing? It's your man, Bad Association. I'm making this video because I have a request. I was in the witnesses, in the hall for about 21 years. So, I'm very used to all the kingdom melodies and everything like that. I just had a conversation, not a conversation. I wrote and he wrote me back. Hang on, let me turn this TV down. It's kind of loud. Truth Warrior 1000. What's going on, bro? And we had this idea that we're going to make some remixes of some of the older kingdom melodies. I'm going to chop up the beats and make them up and do some shit to them, you know what I'm saying? It's all non-for-profit, so don't nobody be trying to sue me or nothing like that. I don't care. Witnesses, you want to come at me, go ahead and do it. I've been waiting to get y'all in court. I don't care for anything. But yeah, so if any of the older apostates or, if you can think of any of the more upbeat songs, because you can still download the older songs, which is kind of funny to me, and it's still under the same numbers, from jw.org. If you go there, you can click on music on the left side. It'll show you all of them, and those will be under Kingdom Melodies. And below that, they have the ones with vocal renditions. I might sample some of those as well. I'm not sure yet. But instead of just downloading all of them, I really can't remember which ones are the more upbeat ones. I used to always think that some of the songs that they had like Christmas undertones and some poppy themes. I can't remember which ones they were, but I used to always stick out to me when I would hear them in the meetings. Like, wow, that sounds like I could maybe hear that on the radio. I'm not entirely sure. But if anyone remembers some of those songs, the name of the songs, the number of the songs, like I said, the names and the numbers are still the same on that website before the new book came out, which is called Sing to Jehovah. But I'm talking about before that. So if you can think of any, please let me know. I'm trying to do that. Also, by the way, Monday was my birthday. I turned 26. Happy birthday to me. And I got a new friend, and I'm going to introduce you to him. His name is Baxter. And a non-dude, don't take offense to this, but this is my apostle bunny. I know you have your apostle cat. This is my apostle bunny. So I'm going to show him to you now. This is Baxter. Baxter! Come on, say hi. Say hi. Anyways, yeah, that's Baxter. He's not my friend right now. Kind of scared him last night because my wife was cooking. And it got a little smoky. So the smoke detector went off. And he used to be an outside bunny, so he's not used to certain smells and sounds and things like that. So he kind of flipped out. Wasn't eating last night. Was like in his corner. So he's kind of mad at me right now. But he's all right. I give him an apple and he'll be my best friend. Anyway, so yeah. If y'all can think of any of those kingdom melodies that are kind of upbeat, up-tempo, poppy, things like that, let me know. And I'll get on that. And, you know what I'm saying? Let's have some fun with this thing. You man, badass, out.